This is the new Traxxas Rustler 4x4. And you're probably saying to yourself, how is a Rustler new? Well, this is the new 2S Brushless Rustler 4x4. Traxxas has replaced that tired old brushed motor that they used to include and are now offering a completely new 2S brushless system in the Rustler 4x4. The BL-2S Brushless Power System offers a 3300 kV brushless motor for all-day fun. And there's no maintenance. It's a sealed motor. It's going to give you a lot more power, torque, and speed, all on 2S, which was pretty surprising to me, I have to say. Not only has Traxxas improved the power system and delivery, they've also upgraded to a lot of the HD outer driveline suspension components that are usually an upgrade after the fact. Now you're getting max duty drive shafts, steel wheel hexes, caster blocks, steering blocks, hub carriers, shock towers, HD suspension arms, and oversized sealed bearings. All stuff that you normally wouldn't get in the Rustler. Alongside the digital high-torque steering servo, TQ 2.4 GHz radio system, sealed steel gear differentials, and a new clipless body mounting system, this Rustler does offer a lot more over the outgoing model. It's great to see Traxxas embracing brushless on the what is considered to be an entry-level line of vehicles. It's packed with features, it's tough, it's a lot of fun, even though it's on 2S. I had a blast with this truck. But there's one big reason I would choose Traxxas over the competition. And while those new features are nice, it's really only half of the story of the Rustler. And yes, this has been around for 30 years almost, in various forms. This, the most recent one, being brushless, being 2S only, being four-wheel drive, really does have a lot more nice features to offer it. However, the thing that I think separates Traxxas from everybody else is its excellent ability to get parts in your hands when something breaks. And that's through an excellent dealer network, and those dealers are your local hobby shops. It's really important nowadays to support those local shops because honestly, they're not going to last forever in this online, on-demand kind of market. And we really need to do everything we can to help support our local hobby shops. They are not just a great place to buy parts when you break something. They're a great place to learn from people who have been in this hobby for a long time. I can't tell you the number of relationships that have started just by speaking to people at hobby shops. Some of those people are very good friends now, people I can rely on to have excellent information that goes way beyond what's in a manual. And that's where this video takes a bit of a turn, because really I wanted to try to put some sort of challenge into this. It seems to be working in a lot of my videos, and I really like that format. So what I decided was, I'm going to call up my local shops, and I'm going to see if they have a random part from the exploded view of the Rustler 4x4 2S brushless setup, and I was going to see if they had that part in stock, just to explain the value of buying something that you know you're going to have part support for. And that's a big challenge, I think, today, is that there are a lot of competitors out there who are offering reasonably comparable vehicles to the Rustler 4x4, but where it falls apart is the parts. That's the long and the short of it. Sometimes you won't be able to get things right away. 15-minute drive to your hobby shop versus a few days waiting for something to be shipped to you. And let's be honest, it's a lot easier to just go to your shop and pick something up than it is to order online sometimes. Oh, hi there. I broke a piece on my Rustler 4x4, and I was wondering if you might have it in stock.
Sure, what's the number?
6881.
Yeah, we got those.
Oh, great. Okay, cool. Thanks very much.
No problem.
By the way, I've got a it's like a buggy thing. Do you have parts for those?
No, probably if you're going to find parts, it's online.
Okay. All right. Thank you very much.
All right, thanks.
Bye-bye. All right. 1 for 1.
For store hours and location, press 1. To speak with a staff member, press 2.
Please hold while I try to connect you.
Speaking, how may I help you?
Oh, hi there. I broke a piece on my Rustler 4x4, and I was hoping you might have it in stock.
Which item are you looking for?
I'm looking for, it's the part number from Traxxas is 6881.
Let's see. Housing diff, front slash.
Yeah, that's the one.
Yeah, we have it.
Oh, you do? Okay, great. I've also, what about 9037?
We have it, yep.
Oh, that's amazing. Okay, great. Thanks so much. Oh, actually, I've also got a I broke a piece on. Do you carry parts for those?
What company makes that?
Yeah, it's called.
Faintly know that, but I don't think we don't carry any parts of that now.
Okay. All right. Okay. Thanks so much. Have a great day.
No problem.
Bye-bye.
You too. Have a good day. Bye.
2 for 2.
Good morning.
Hi, can I speak to Roger, please?
See if I can find him. Yep, give me a sec. Hold on.
Thank you.
Hello, can I help you?
Hey, Roger, it's Matthew from Scale Builders Guild.
Hey, Matthew, how are you?
I'm good. How are you doing? Fire up your computer and see if you've got... there's a part I'm looking for the Rustler 4x4. It's 9051.
9051. Okay. That's the Extreme Bash Edition.
Oh.
Which I do have the standard non-extreme bash edition.
Okay.
And I also have the steel drive shafts that are an upgrade to that.
Even better.
So, right. And so, even though I don't have exactly that, we could, in fact, get you going if that's what you needed to do today.
That's amazing. Okay, now, I've got a buggy that I got online, and I broke a part on that. Do you carry parts for that one?
Well, we don't stock the brand. I don't know who distributes that. The last time, I tried to sell them, they went to 2 distributors in like 5 months, and I was like, no, I'm done.
Okay,
so,
fair enough. All right.
Yeah.
Cool. Well, you've been very helpful today, Roger. Thank you very much.
Thank you. Thank you.
I'll be in touch. I'll talk to you soon.
All right, awesome.
Take care. Bye-bye.
Bye.
3 for 3-ish. So I think we've proven the point today that hobby shops are important. And almost instant gratification. So there you go. If you are a beginner and you're looking to get into this hobby, you're looking to do some bashing, but you don't want to make a huge investment and you want to start small and work your way up, I can't recommend anything better than the Rustler 4x4 Brushless. The new 2S Brushless system is fantastic. Tons of power, tons of high end, lots of speed. Surprisingly, on 2S. New clipless body, so it has a much cleaner, sleeker look. I do really like how the Rustler looks. And the extreme heavy-duty outer suspension upgrade kit already installed. You are getting a substantially stronger vehicle. This is a real blast. It's a hoot. I had an amazing time with it. And if you're interested in picking one up, there will be links down below. So there you go. That's a first look, run, and review. And a little proof positive for doing some local shopping on the Rustler 4x4 Brushless. Thanks so much for watching. See you again soon.